Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL G2 and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. Our first step to do is opening Google Chrome application. In it, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose Settings. Now we must tap on our password manager and there we can manage our password which are smart to remember. Maybe to our WhatsApp account, we can click there. Now we must enter our look screen to get connected to that, and there we can manage it. We can tap on edit, and there we can edit our username and passwords. And remember, when you change something, press save. You can also copy it, or when we tap on delete, we can delete this password from our device. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.